have you ever wondered what the actual laziest way to make money with AI could be? Well, we're about to find out. In this breakdown, we're digging into entrepreneur Dan Martell's 5 top business ideas that really anyone can start from scratch. We're going to look at the cost, the effort, and of course, the potential for each one. So let's dive right in.
So, what is the laziest way to make money with AI? Okay, let's be super clear here. Lazy doesn't mean some get-rich-quick scheme. Not at all. It's all about leveraging these incredibly powerful AI tools to do the heavy lifting for you, which lets you build a real business way more efficiently than ever before.
And the source for all this? It's Dan Martell, an entrepreneur who's not just talking theory. He says he's made millions from AI products. He's laying out the 5 exact strategies he'd use if he had to start all over again today with nothing. So here's our game plan. We're going to start with the most accessible AI services, kind of the entry-level stuff. Then we'll climb the value ladder to building entire AI-driven assets. After that, we'll reveal the #1 business idea he recommends. And finally, and this is key, we'll go over the playbook for how to actually get clients for any of these ideas.
All right, let's kick it off with level 1, AI-powered creative services. Think of these as your perfect entry point. They're ideal for anyone just starting out who wants to turn some creative work into a real side hustle. So, idea number 5 is AI thumbnail design. Now, this is way more than just making pretty pictures. We're talking about using tools like Midjourney to engineer YouTube thumbnails that are basically scientifically designed to get clicks. And believe me, the pros take this stuff very seriously. And check this out. This is what's so cool. The startup cost is low. You're just looking at a few software subscriptions, but the potential, it's really high. I mean, serious YouTubers will pay a pro anywhere from $200 to $400 a day just for thumbnails that boost their views. This is a legitimate, high-demand skill. And getting started is this simple 3-step loop. First, you analyze what's already working. Go study the viral thumbnails in whatever niche you choose. Second, you build a portfolio of the best examples. And third, you feed that portfolio right into an AI like ChatGPT to help you generate brand new designs that are based on what's already proven to work.
Sticking with creative services, our 4th idea is AI blog generation. And this isn't just your standard old SEO play. The real trick here is creating super specific content that's designed to rank on Google, sure, but also to get recommended inside AI language models like ChatGPT itself.
You know, the barrier to entry on this one is incredibly low. You can get started with free tools, and the AI does almost all of the writing. The potential is pretty solid too, with high-end services pulling in up to $500 a day. Martell even talks about a client of his who makes over $100,000 a month just by turning podcasts into SEO blog posts using AI. Crazy, right? And the strategy here follows a pretty similar pattern. You find the top blogs in a niche, you use those as inspiration to create a portfolio of your own AI-generated samples, and then you use specialized tools to optimize that content so it can rank everywhere. Okay. It's time to level up. Welcome to Level 2, Building AI-Driven Assets. Here, we're shifting gears from doing one-off services to creating entire digital properties that can generate income for you over time.
First up at this level is something you've definitely seen before: faceless YouTube channels. You know the ones. Videos with a really compelling voiceover, great footage, but you never actually see the person on camera. Well, AI can now generate the scripts, the voiceovers, and even a virtual avatar for you.
Now, the cost and effort here are medium, but the real magic is the potential for stacking income. See, every single video you add to your library is an asset that can earn money forever. The top channels in this space, they're reportedly making over $50,000 a month from ads and affiliate deals. That's some serious passive income potential.
The process starts with picking a profitable niche. Then, you use AI to craft your scripts and find your unique voice. From there, you decide if you want to use B-roll footage or maybe an AI avatar. And finally, and this is the most important step, you post consistently and you iterate, always aiming to make every video just a tiny bit better than the last one. Okay, the next asset you can build with AI is websites. Just think about this for a second. There are 22 million small businesses in North America, and pretty much all of them need a web presence. Using AI and no-code tools, you can now deliver sites that businesses used to pay tens of thousands of dollars for. This is a truly massive opportunity. It's low cost, it's medium effort, but the potential is just huge. And why is that? Because it's scalable. Building the website is just step one. You can then add recurring revenue by upselling clients on things like
AI-powered SEO, hosting, and all sorts of automations.
Getting started here really boils down to 3 key steps. First, pick one no-code builder and just master it. Then, use AI to generate all the custom copy and visuals you'll need. Finally, and this is probably the most important part, build a few absolutely stunning example websites to create a portfolio that proves you can deliver the goods.
And that brings us to the top of the ladder, level 3, the #1 AI business idea he has, AI integration. This is the most advanced and, yeah, potentially the most lucrative opportunity of them all.
So the top idea is starting an AI automation agency. This isn't just about providing one service. No, this is about going deep inside a business and using AI to automate their core workflows, solve their really complex problems, and basically just increase their capacity to get things done.
The potential here is absolutely huge because you're solving big, expensive problems for businesses that actually have money to spend. This can lead to you earning over $1,000 a day. And as Dan says, automation isn't about replacing people, it's about freeing them to focus on the more creative, high-impact work that only humans can do. The path to getting started is pretty straightforward. First, and this is great, literally just ask ChatGPT to outline the steps for you. Second, and listen, this is key, master one specific use case. Don't try to do everything. Become a specialist in automating one specific area. And third, join a community to learn from others and just speed up the whole process. Okay, so you've got these incredible ideas, but how in the world do you find customers? This brings us to the final and most critical piece, the customer playbook. This is a simple, repeatable strategy that works for almost all of these business models. It's a 4-step process he calls audit to deal. First, pick a niche you're actually passionate about. Second, build a targeted list of potential clients in that niche. Third, record a short video audit for them, giving them free advice and showing them how you can help. You're providing massive value right up front. And finally, you make them a simple, low-risk offer just to get started. So, there you have it. We've covered 5 distinct business models, from simple services all the way up to complex integrations. And we've covered a clear strategy to find customers. The AI gives you the tools, and the playbook gives you the strategy. But that leaves one final question. In all of this, where will you provide the human insight, the creativity, and the real value?